Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Mostly cloudy, overcast skies out there this morning. Temperature right around 62, so it's warming up quite nicely today. Expecting temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. You got an east wind about 5 to 10 miles per hour with a few gusts up to 15 miles per hour. But otherwise, we'll have some active weather moving into the area as we get into the late afternoon and evening hours, and we'll have a low pressure that'll be sticking around throughout the weekend, bringing us some unsettled weather to continue throughout the weekend and into the beginning of next week. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we do have a low pressure that's off to our west and some showers in the area to our west and northwest that will be moving in as we get into, again, the late afternoon and evening hours, bringing us a chance of some moderate rain showers and even some thunderstorms possible as we go into the overnight. If we look at the current visible satellite and composite radar, we do see those showers. Most of the rain shield is missing us to the north, and we expect that to continue as we go throughout the morning hours, and we'll start to see some scattered showers move into the area as we get into the afternoon, and then the main event won't start to move in until we get into around 6 to 8 p.m. this evening, where we'll start to see more persistent rain showers and a chance of seeing some thunderstorms in the area. Looking at the short-term high resolution model as we move throughout the day, again most of the rain will be missing us to the north, but then we'll see some scattered showers moving through the area going throughout the afternoon, and then as we get into around 6 p.m. in the 6 to 8 p.m. window, we'll start to see some more moderate showers move through with a chance of seeing some thunderstorms, and that will continue as we go into the overnight hours, and we'll see that start to taper off as we get to 3 to 4 a.m. local time, where we'll see things start to break up a bit. We'll get a break in the rain with just some scattered showers in the area, and then we'll get another round as we go into the afternoon and evening on Saturday, where we'll see another chance for some moderate rain showers and maybe even a slight chance of seeing another few thunderstorms moving through the area. That will linger into Sunday. If we zoom out and take a look at the long-term forecast, Sunday we'll see showers throughout the day as well, and those will continue into Monday, and this low will likely just meander off the coast a bit, keeping strong onshore flow with some strong winds. Those will start as we get into Saturday evening, continue throughout much of the week next week. And with this low just kind of meandering off the coast, there's some models suggesting we'll see some rain chances as we go throughout much of the week next week. So depending on how that meanders off the coast will determine how much of the showers will make it inland to our location and the cloud cover and whatnot. And then as we move into the later part of the week, we see those rain chances start to decrease, but as that low moves a little further south. So looking at the 24-hour weather risk chart. Well, first let's look at the upper level sounding. From this morning's balloon sounding, we have some southeasterly winds at 1,000 feet and becoming northwesterly at 3,000 feet before coming back to a westerly wind up through the rest of the column, with winds peaking at 42 knots at 25,000 feet. The freezing level is at 12,100 feet. Now if we continue on to the 24-hour weather risk chart, again we can see those colors for the weather risk we'll see as we go throughout the afternoon and evening hours. We have that chance of precip starting to pick up in the afternoon hours and becoming more likely as we get into the, again, 6 to 8 p.m. hour and continuing through to about 3 to 4 a.m. local time. And with that, with those showers moving in, we'll have that chance of seeing a few thunderstorms in the area as well. So we have that risk for lightning during that same time frame, and we'll have those reduced ceilings and visibilities as those showers start to move in, and thunderstorms and some fog mist, low clouds in the morning as well during that lull in the rain. So right now we're given about probability of 50% chance of seeing some thunderstorms in the area, and then tapering off to about a 40% chance after midnight up to about 3 a.m. And right now our temperatures are running slightly above normal. Again, we'll see temperatures rise to the mid 60s this afternoon and stay relatively mild as we go throughout much of the evening, and then maybe dropping down to upper 50s by the morning hours. Um, Winds mostly out of the southeast throughout the forecast time, 8 to 13 knots expected, maybe a few peaks up to 18 knots or to 20 knots, and that will continue throughout the evening. And the stronger winds will start to pick up as we get into the late afternoon on Saturday. So looking at the next couple of days, again Saturday, see those breezy conditions becoming windy. We could see some gusts up to 35 knots as we get into the late afternoon. High expected around 63. Will be overcast and low clouds throughout much of the day, and we'll have that chance of some scattered rain showers in the area, and then we'll see those rain chances again pick up as we get into the late afternoon and evening for another round of some more moderate showers as we get into Saturday night, and a slight chance of seeing a thunderstorm in the area. Wind gusts will pick up a bit, maybe up to 40 knots and a low of 49. And again, with those strong onshore winds, we could have we'll see some higher than normal tides and a chance of seeing some coastal flooding possible. Sunday we'll have another overcast day with some low clouds in the area and a chance for some on and off light rain showers is going throughout today. Those wind gusts will stick around up to 40 knots as we go throughout the day, expecting a high of 54. Looking at the longer term forecast, again windy as we go throughout the beginning of the work week for Monday and Tuesday. We'll have that chance of rain for Monday and a bit less of a chance of rain for Tuesday. It would be depending on how that low meanders off the coast, but we do have a chance of seeing some showers throughout the extended forecast with about 15% for Tuesday and Wednesday and 30% for Thursday. But otherwise, it would be mostly cloudy to overcast throughout much of those days. The temperatures below normal for this time of year. We'll have a high of 55 for Monday, and then we'll get back into the low 60s for Tuesday and Wednesday, and then maybe hitting the mid 60s as we get to Thursday. Otherwise, lows in the upper 40s for most of the week. That will wrap up the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again Monday at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day and your weekend.